Hello, everyone. My name is Diego Alvarez, and I'm the leader of the computational design and senior designer at Boskalis. Join me is Mohamed Jibabi, senior software developer at Brindle IT. Today, we will explore how integrating ACC issues with Relatics can streamline workflows in construction projects, leading to more efficient design management and better collaboration. Yes, context. To provide context in our development, I will briefly outline the APIs and infrastructure we use, outline the Meandra and Mass project, and introduce Relatics to those who don't know it. What is our solution? We are working on a POC for integrating ACC Issues and Relatics. Our development rests on an ecosystem of APIs that facilitate communication between both platforms, ACC Issues and Relatics. We utilize APIs for data management, issue tracking, authentication, and visualization. We also wrote some extensions for the viewer. We use SOAP and JavaScript to communicate with Relatics, and as infrastructure, we use Azure solutions. First of all, I would like to briefly talk about the Meandra project, which facilitated the development of this solution. So MEMA project is a Dutch project, which employs an integrated approach to enhance water safety and promote area development. It has 26 kilometers of river widening, dike reinforcement, and building with nature, creating a sustainable environment. MEMA is a key project for Boskalis, and BIM coordination plays a crucial role here. And among other tools and features, more within the context of this presentation, we use the ACC issues as a primary project documentation. Here you can see some images of some dikes and their issues. So just to give you some perspective, this project has currently almost 3,000 issues. So, but for those who doesn't know it, what is Relatics? What we are talking about. So Relatics is a system engineer software widely used here in the Netherlands for infrastructure projects. And Relatics is crucial for Boskalis as well, and to our project and design management. So the problems, business value, okay, what we did for this POC, yeah? So we created an unified solution that connects ACC issues and Relatics, so enables also seamless and data synchronization and visualization cross-platform, either in Relatics or in ACC. So how? APS is bridging ACC data with Relatics, and also we embedded ACC viewer in this software. And what are the values that we are adding in this part is our solutions enhance decision-making, simplifies our workflow complexity, and also provide a unified interface for users to manage and view real-time project data. So the problem, huh? We do have a gap between ACC and Relatics. Data is stored in separate systems, leading to silos. So data are manually transferred between systems from ACC to Relatics and vice versa, which leads us to inefficiency and inconsistency. And more specifically, issue data is not streamlined. So resulting in delays in identifying, analyzing, resolving, and therefore managing construction issues. So what we did create? So we create a bidirectional link between ACC issues and Relatics, leveraging APS to bridge the gap. APS is a conjunction with our Azure solution, allows for seamless data synchronization and communication. So what was our integration approach? API communication. With that, problems with silo data, inefficiency, and inconsistency are mitigated. So we also improved data visualization by integrating the viewer into Relatics. And here you can see the integration of our viewer. So you can see already added with our custom extensions, we can create issues there, and also embedded in our Relatics online platform. Okay, and now my colleague Mohamed will detail the technical aspects and implementation of this solution.
Hi, welcome everyone. I'm here today to present the technical side of the solution, how we integrated the ACC issues with Relatics and creating a seamless bidirectional workflow for our projects. One of the first things that we need to do for the integration, we need to set up an APS app. Hereby, we need to define a name, the client ID and client secret are generated, and of course, we need to manage the API permissions. After that, in ACC, for each project, we need to allow the APS application, ensuring secure access through outflow. We ensure strict project-based permissioning, so each project will need to give access to the app themselves. And how does this architecture looks like? So we have mirrored our APIs to those of APS. In a sense, we have an authentication service, takes care of all security and manages token exchange between APS and the Relatics. We also have a data exchange service. This one mirrors the document service, the document API. It can query the documents and models in ACC, and we use it also to navigate through the folder structure in ACC. And of course, we have the issue service, which fetches the issues and creates and updates them also. As a backbone, we have the background service. This one is scheduled to synchronize between ACC and Relatics, only one way. So from ACC to Relatics, in this case, ACC is always leading. And a scheduler checks for new updated issues in ACC and pulls them also back into Relatics. This is the technical part. We use the SDKs of ACC or APS wherever we can. For the documents and authentication, we do use the SDK, but for the issues, this was not possible. Because the SDK for issues is not complete yet, as of presenting now. So we had to write a custom client for this to assist us in this process. And also, of course, we use the viewer SDK to be able to handle this issue in the viewer also. This is our architectural plan. So we have our convenience APIs sitting in between APS and Relatics. And our APIs communicate, do all the communication with ACC or APS. And for this, we use of course, the Autodesk tokens. But between Relatics and our convenience APIs, we use JSON Web Token, which we provide ourselves. This makes it possible that we don't share any Autodesk tokens to the client. Of course, for the viewer, we do need an APS or an Autodesk token, but this is only a read scope. And with this current setup, you could also use a proxy for the viewer, and no APS tokens are sent to the clients ever. For our polling mechanism, we have a polling mechanism that fetches new issues from ACC at set intervals. It ensures Relatics, that Relatics stays updated, and of course, creating OVKs and linking to existing issues is also handled here. For extending the view, because we had to extend the viewer with extension to be able to show the issues. For this, we use the built-in extension mechanism of the viewer. Our custom extension retrieves the issues, does the filtering, which issues to show, and adds the filtered issues to the pushpin data array. The pushpin data array is part of the BIM 360 pushpin extension. The pushpin extension shows the pushpin representing the issues, handles also the placement of pushpin, and handles also the events like click events or drag and drop. 2D models, they are not really supported 100% because sometimes the placement goes wrong. So, but at Boskalis, we only use 3D models anyways. And as you can see, we also use the document browser extension to be able to navigate through the sheets and the versions. So as you can see here, on the left side is a navigation pane, a navigation panel where you can see the structure of our ACC. Users can navigate through it to the document in ACC, open the correct version and sheet, and we can show all the issues selected and so all the issues in the document, and then select the issue that we want to link to the OVK. So that's OVK is the element in Relatics, and that one will be linked to it. Okay, and afterwards, after this, we're gonna have a demo. This will showcase the workflow improvements that we did, that how changes are applied in the viewer first, and then it's sent to ACC. And after the confirmation we got from ACC or from APS, we align them also with Relatics. And after confirmation from APS API, we apply the changes in Relatics. If updates in Relatics fail, like I said before, this will be synced by the background service afterwards. We're going to show how we place issues on the drawings, and also how we create issues directly from the viewer, and that issue is automatically linked to the OVK. Now let's see the demo in action now.
Okay, So as conclusion, yeah, the integration of ACC issues with Relatics enhanced project and design management. We achieved seamless data synchronization and visualization, leading to improved decision-making and reduced complexity. So the integration provides real-time access to consistent data in compliance with system engineering requirements. And we will also, we are planning to expand this integration to other platforms, such as SharePoint and GIS as well. And finally, yes, I would like to thank everyone who contributed to this development. Their collaboration were crucial in driving the project forward. Okay, thank you very much.